welcome back to another video. This is Ivy Kathleen, your architect and property specialist. As you can see guys in my background, andito ko ngayon sa Playa Calatagan, Batangas. Yeah. Okay, so just a short background lang po about Playa Calatagan is that it is located on a stunning 78 hectare of land tropical paradise. Playa Calatagan is a master plan exclusive seaside residential community that boasts Asian tropical architecture and a host of amenities that epitomize quality seaside living at its finest. Calatagan, formerly referred to as the Forbes Park of the South, is known for the verdant locals' arresting beaches, heritage sites, and bountiful cuisines, which are stapled choices for affluent weekenders, tourists, and city dwellers alike. The leisure destination also offers the proverbial playground for the old rich that seek premium enjoyment and leisure with nearby facilities and attractions such as the golf course. So they have here the Calatagan Golf Club Inc. Polo facilities such as the Miguel Romero Polo Facility and the Inigo Zobel Polo Fields, which holds practice and actual matches, and other tourist spots. So both local and foreign visitors will surely have a grand time visiting Little Boracay, known for its fine white sands. So when you're in Calatagan, there's no need to travel far to enjoy a great beach experience together with the pristine beaches of Lanco Beach towns. Another must visit here is the Starfish Island. So this is the sanctuary for starfishes, the Cape Santiago, one of the oldest lighthouses in the country. And if you're up for some water activity, you might want to try wakeboarding at Lago de Oro. So as I have mentioned earlier, seaside residential community because it is located across Calatagan South Beach, or mas kilala as Casobe. So Casobe kasi is directly connected, or they have the direct access sa dagat. So once you're a property owner here in Playa Calatagan, you may also access the beach through the residential beach club. In terms of amenities naman po, once a property owner here in Playa Calatagan, so you can access the Hilltop Clubhouse, which is my background. Yeah, that's the Hilltop Clubhouse. The Oasis, Bamboo Park, and Amphitheater Park. Also, if you are a property owner here in Playa Calatagan, one of the privileges is that since Calatagan and Casobe is same developer lang, so once a property owner either in Playa Calatagan or in Casobe, you have some privileges or discounts if you want to try their facilities in Casobe. So like in Aquaria, possible discount is 15 to 20% once a property owner of either Playa Calatagan and Casobe. If you wanna try the Crusoe cabins or the cocoons, so meron din po siyang discount. So yan, basta property owner po kayo either in Playa Calatagan or in Casobe. Yan, I will drive inside Playa Calatagan and I'll take some clips po ng mga available pa na lots. Okay? So, yan. See you later. And so, andito pa lang ako sa my gate, but as you can see po, yung elevation ng lot, yan. So, merong part na mababa and may part na paahon. So, I'll drive pa po inside. One of the amenities here in Playa Calatagan is the Amphitheater Park. So, ito yung Amphitheater Park. Yan, o, diba? Ang hangin. Mainit, pero mahangin. And as you can see po sa likod ko, yan, that's the horizon. Yan na yung dagat. Okay, so again, Amphitheater Park. Yan, so, ipapakita ko naman po sa inyo yung isang available na lot dito. Yan, yung Block 5, Lot 6. So, that's
304 square meters. Yun po, yung merong kulay pink, block 5, lot 16. And, ito, kita nyo ba yan, yung kulay blue na yun? Ayan, dagat na yan. Oh. Tapos, yan, kung mapapansin ninyo po, itong lote dito, meron pong mataas na elevation and merong mababa. So, if you purchase this one, a block 5 lot 16, ganito yung magiging possible view niyo. So, if you purchase this block 5 lot 16, ay putik. Ayan, ganyan po siya. Mataas dito and then pababa. Ayan. Ganyan po dito. Block 5 lot 16. Tapos, yung road doon sa baba, that's the barangay road. So, perimeter lot po ito. Bali, ganyan po yung magiging style or pwedeng gawin nyo na house. Ayan, kung nakita nyo itong kabila, ganun po siya, pababa. Yan. Again, block 5, lot 16, 304 square meters. And meron din po dyang isa pang available na lot. I think yon makalagpas ng poste po. That's 359. Ayan, dyan meron pong available na lot. And marami po dito sa line na yan. Ayan, maraming vacant lots here. Tapos, sa likod po ng block na ito, ayan, is the bamboo park na. As you can see, napakarami ng bamboo trees. Ayan. More vacant lots here. Ang view nyo is the bamboo park. Right now, dito naman ako sa Hilltop Clubhouse. So, from the word itself, hilltop, ibig sabihin nasa mataas na location siya, guys. Tapos, tignan nyo naman. Ayan, dagat na. O, diba? Kitang-kita dito. Yan. So, once a property owner here, you can visit this clubhouse. So, check lang natin here. Ayan. Ayan, oh. Yan yung dagat. Ayan, Hilltop Clubhouse. And there's a swimming pool here. More like the infinity pool. Then, meron ding pambata. Yan, once you're swimming here, kitang-kita nyo na yung horizon. Yan, dagat na yan. Dito rin sa kabila, kitang-kita. And Hilltop Clubhouse. This is the Hilltop Clubhouse. Now going to phase 2. Yan, itong part na to, phase 2 naman siya.
Naman sa part na to, this is phase 2, C2. Merong available dito na lot, which is the block 22B, lot 2, 350 square meters. Yan. Yan po yung available na lot. Yan, while driving to Block 21, on the left side po, meron po mga available po na lot, 355 square meters, 328 square meters, 323, 338, 334, 399, and on the right side naman po, meron ding available na 300 square meters. That's phase 2C2, Block 21, and Block 23. And from that rotonda, when you turn right, yan na yung papunta dun sa entrance exit gate.
Going to phase 3. For phase 3, meron din silang sariling pool area. And that's the pool area for phase 3. Yan. Tapos ito yung mga block and lot number. Marami pa pong available dito sa phase 3. Yan, ikat-ikat lang ako. Yan, as you can see, meron na pong isang bahay. Existing house here in phase 3. Yan, maluwang pa yung phase 3. Marami pa pong available na lot. Yan.
So from this part, marami pa pong available na lot. So hindi ko na lang po naikutan, but marami pa siyang available and iba-ibang lot areas po. And that's it guys for Playa Calatagan. I hope nagustuhan niyo yung mga pinakita ko na clips. Well, actually, hindi ko pa siya naikot lahat. Ang dami pa pong available na lot in phase 1, 2, 3, and 4. And dun sa videos po, previous clips ko, partial lang. In phase 1, 2, and 3 yung napakita ko. Phase 4, hindi ko pa po siya naikutan. So, if you are interested, I'll be providing my contact details in the description box below. Diyan niyo po ako pwedeng i-reach out. And if you are willing po na mag-travel papunta dito sa Calatagan, I highly suggest po na makita ninyo ng personal yung existing site conditions and yung mga amenities, makita nyo in person. And yung mga available po na lots, pwede po nating ikutan, ganyan, para mas madali po sa inyo na makapili ng lot na kukunin ninyo. Ayan. So, for schedules, i-contact nyo lang po ako, and I'll be happy to assist you po. So, again, this is Ivy Kathleen, your architect and property specialist. I'll see you on the next property. Bye!